Question. DS. When a positive integer n is divided by 6, what is the remainder? Condition 1. When n is divided by 12, the remainder is 2. Condition 2. When n is divided by 3, the remainder is 2. Solution. Let us solve this DS question using the variable approach. Remainder questions in DS questions. Shortcut. When the divisor in the original condition is a factor of the divisor in the condition, that condition is sufficient. Let's apply 3 steps of variable approach. Let us follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We are required to find the remainder when a positive integer n is divided by 6. Now we have to find the value of n. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition we have one variable, n. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let us take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that when n is divided by 12, the remainder is 2. Thus n equals 12 times k plus 2. And therefore, the different values of n are 2, 14, 26, etc. In each case, the remainder will be 2, when 2 or 14 or 26 are divided by 6, as 2 equals 6 times 0 plus 2, 14 equals 6 times 2 plus 2, or 26 equals 6 times 4 plus 2. Thus, this condition has a unique answer and is sufficient by CMT2, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that when n is divided by 3, the remainder is 2. Thus, n equals 3 times x plus 2, and therefore, the different values of n are 2, 5, 8, etc. When 2 or 5 or 8 are divided by 6, the remainder will be 2, or 5, or 2 respectively, as 2 equals 6 times 0 plus 2, 5 equals 6 times 0 plus 5, and 8 equals 6 times 1 plus 2. Thus, this condition has no unique answers and is not sufficient by CMT2, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Now, let us look at another way to solve this question. This is a faster way to solve this question, so be sure to memorize how to solve it. The divisor in the original condition is 6, and the divisor in condition 1 is 12. Since the divisor 6 in the original condition is a factor of the divisor 12 in condition 1 is sufficient. However, the divisor 6 in the original condition is not a factor of the divisor 3 in condition 2, so condition 2 is not sufficient. Condition 1 alone is sufficient. Thus A is the correct answer. Answer A.